Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech World. In today's video I'm going to show you how to download this card application on your iPhone. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming update from us. In order to download the application on your iPhone, first tab open your App Store. Make sure that you are connected to an internet service, whether it is your Wi-Fi or your cellular data. And once you are connected, tap on the search button appearing at the top, type in Disco Road in the search box and search this. Once the app that we are looking for this Court Talk, Chat and Hangout. To immediately download the application on your iPhone, tap on the Get button beneath. Soon after you do that, your application will begin its downloading process. Discord is a VoIP instant messaging and digital distribution platform. Users can easily communicate with voice calls, video calls, text messages, medias and files, and private chats, or as a part of communities or servers. Soon after the application gets downloaded and installed on your iPhone, you should see an open button popping up right beneath the app. If it happened on, you'll be able to launch the app open, and that is how it will look like. That is how you can easily download Discord application on your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.